Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install one of these valve stems. They're the spin-on kind. I know it seems pretty straightforward, but I'll show you how hard to tighten and stuff. So there's one bolt and another bolt, see? Then there's like a metal thing like this, see that? And then there's one rubber piece, see? So you take that off. Right, that's what you're left with. On this side is where you would like pump up your tire, right? Okay, so let's put this in. So all you want to do is put this in here like so. See, that's rubber there. Put it in. Okay, I'm gonna flip up the wheel. So now you grab the rubber piece, see? With that lip sticking out like that, you're gonna get it in there. See, just like that. Now don't forget this metal washer thing. See, it goes like that. And now you grab your nut. I said bolt earlier, but I meant nut. You go like that. Okay, now you're gonna grab two wrenches, right? And hold this one here. See that? And then you're gonna tighten this. You gotta put it pretty tight, but like you don't want to squeeze this rubber thing right out. Like as far as finger tight, that's already maxed out finger tight, right? So from that point, watch. 1, 2, 3, maybe 3.5. Yeah, that feels good. See, the rubber's squished, but it's not like being pushed out. So that's good. And then your other nut, you're gonna put it on and that basically locks it, see? So the problem with these is, see, this is so skinny you can't get two wrenches on. So what I do is I just got a pair of like little skinny pliers or whatever. So you go like this, and this does work. And tighten these against each other, get it? And that'll prevent it from like vibrations from it coming off. Yeah! There you go, guys. That is how you install a valve stem, guys. And guys, if you want to see how to install this tire onto this rim completely by yourself, subscribe to this channel and click on the link up here. Thanks for watching. Till next time, everybody.